Hello and welcome back to Grad Dreams YouTube channel. This is Sanjana here and today we are going to talk all about Masters of Cosmetology courses in all over the world. Before that, if you are someone who is looking for study abroad, then check out the appointment link in the description box below and clear all of the doubts. Cosmetology is more associated with vocational training and certifications. There are master's program and advanced degrees related to the field, particularly in cosmetic science, dermatology and aesthetics. Here are some of the top master's programs that are provided in all over the world. To start with, the very first is University of Cincinnati in USA. The program name is MS in Cosmetic Science. The duration of the course is 2 years. This program offers a comprehensive curriculum in cosmetic science, including formulation, safety and regulatory aspects of cosmetic products. Includes both theoretical and practical training with opportunities for research and internship in cosmetic industry. The tuition fee for this program is approximately $1,200 for per credit basis. Total cost of the program varies according to the credits that you get into. The second is Fairleigh Dickinson University in USA. The university offers MS in Cosmetic Science program. The duration of the course is around 2 years. The program's focus is to cover topics such as cosmetic formulation, product development and quality assurance. The features of the program offers both on-campus and online options, providing flexibility for working professionals. The tuition fee for this course is approximately $1,300 per credit basis. Total cost varies according to the numbers of credits that you get. The third is University of Arts London, UK. The program provided is MS in Cosmetic Science. The duration of the course is around 1 year full-time and 2 years part-time. The programs aim at students with a background in science. This program focuses on the development and formulation of cosmetic products. The features is strong industry links and opportunities for internships and collaborations with leading cosmetic companies. The tuition fee for this course ranges between 22,000 GBP to 23,000 GBP on an yearly basis for the international students. The fourth university is University of Alcalá in Spain. The university offers Masters in Aesthetic Dermatology. The duration for this course is around 1 year. The program's focuses on advanced dermatological techniques and treatments, including cosmetic dermatology procedures. The features of the program is practical training in state-of-the-art facilities and collaboration with leading dermatology clinics. The tuition fee for this program is around 6,000 euros per year. The fifth is Universitäts Medizin Berlin in Germany. The university offers Masters of Science in Dermatology and Venenology. The duration of this course is around 2 years. The program focuses on comprehensive training in dermatology with a significant emphasis on aesthetic and cosmetic dermatology. The features of this program access to cutting-edge research and clinical practice in one of Europe's leading medical schools. The tuition fee is approximately 9,000 euros per year. The sixth is Seneca College, Canada. This university offers Masters of Science in Cosmetic Chemistry program. The duration for this course is around 1 year. The programs provide specialized knowledge in cosmetic chemistry, including formulation, product development, and regulatory affairs. This program features strong focus on practical skills and industry readiness with opportunities for internships. The tuition fee is approximately 15,000 CAD for per year. The seventh is Cardiff University in UK. This offers Masters of Science in Cosmetic Dermatology. The duration of this course is around 1 to 2 years. The program offers advanced training in cosmetic dermatology techniques and treatments, and it features blends clinical practice with research opportunities, providing a holistic approach to cosmetic dermatology. The tuition fee for this program ranges between 21,000 GBP to 22,000 GBP on an yearly basis for an international students. The eighth and the last university is University of Rome Tor Vergata, that is in Italy. This offers Masters of Cosmetic Dermatology course. The duration for this course is 1 year. This program focuses on advanced cosmetic dermatology procedures and treatment, combines theoretical knowledge with practical training, including hands-on experience in clinical settings. The tuition fee for this program is approximately 4,500 euros per year. So these were the top universities that offers advanced education and training in the areas of cosmetic and cosmetology. So that was it for the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon for more updates from Grad Dreams.